Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Quick meals aren't just fast, they're built on ingredients that deliver flavor instantly. Aromatics like garlic, scallions, and ginger release their flavor compounds the moment they hit heat. Umami boosters, soy sauce, miso, tomato paste, are already packed with glutamates, so they deepen flavor without long simmering. And fast-hydrating starches like rice noodles or couscous cook in minutes because they're pre-gelatinized. Fast meals taste better when you layer flavors in the right order. Start with aromatics to build the base, add your umami sources to deepen it, then finish with acidity, like lemon, vinegar, or tomatoes, to brighten everything instantly. Quick meals rely on contrast: soft noodles with crunchy toppings, creamy sauces with fresh herbs, or warm grains with cold vegetables. Your brain reads that contrast as complexity, even if the dish only took a few minutes to make. Convenience cooking isn't cheating, it's smart chemistry. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.